So, Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution aimed at advanced penetration testing and security auditing. Kali contains several hundred tools which are geared towards various information security tasks, such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensics, and reverse engineering. Kali Linux is developed, funded, and maintained by Offensive Security, a leading information security training company. Now, we're going to use Kali as the attacker system. However, if you don't want to use Kali for whatever reason, you can download the tools that we use and install them to your host machine. So let's download it and install it as a virtual machine on our host system. So I'm going to prepare the Kali VM directly from the VirtualBox image first. The first step is to download the VM files. Open the browser and simply Google the words Kali and download. The first website is the official site of Kali, so click on it. This is the download page of Kali. These are the ISO files. You can use them to install Kali as the main host or as a virtual machine in any virtualization platform. Now, these are the images that you can use to install. With the latest release, Kali Linux announced that the images have been restructured and simplified. So from now on, Kali Linux has new image styles: installer image, a live image, and a network installer image. Installer image is recommended for users who want to use Kali Linux on their system. No network connection is required. You can choose desktop environments such as XFCE, KDE, GNOME, and any other tools that you want to install during your installation. Now, the second one is a live image. So it's used to run Kali without installing it. And the last one is a network install image. The smallest image, of course, to download, containing only enough to install the base system that requires a network connection to install selected applications. At the bottom of the Kali image files table, there are ready-to-use, almost ready-to-use Kali virtual machines. So if you're going to use Kali as a virtual machine, you can use them instead of installing ISO files from scratch. I'm just going to use one of these images now, so I'll click on this link. So now we're in the Virtual Images page. Scroll down a bit, and here are the images. Click this link under the Kali Linux VirtualBox tab to download the OVA file. And the download has been completed. So here you can just simply run the OVA file to run the VM.